Hello, I am John Curry. I serve in the sound booth of my church, Gila Mountain United Methodist Church, in the Yuma, Arizona Foothills. Shortly, you will hear audio tests of two microphones that are used during my church's Sunday morning services. The wired microphone used at the pulpit and the wireless hands-off microphone used by my pastor and by most guest sermonizers. The purpose of these tests is for you to listen to them and then give me feedback about their sound quality. Do both microphones sound good and clear to you? Does one sound better than the other? There are 5 people who speak during these audio tests, 3 women and 2 men. It will sound to you like they're repeating themselves, but they are only speaking once. These people are using both microphones at the same time, wearing the pastor's microphone on their left cheek and the pulpit microphone in front of them, just as it is during Sunday service scripture readings. Both microphones are recorded simultaneously for a stereo recording. Our pastor's wireless microphone is recorded on the left channel, and the pulpit microphone is recorded on the right channel. What I did was edit the recorded audio to have the left channel, pastor's microphone, play first, followed immediately by the right channel, pulpit microphone, audio. Having the recordings from the 2 microphones switch back and forth like this allows you, the listener, to better compare their respective quality. Again, each person is only speaking once, not repeating themselves twice, as this audio might wrongly lead you to believe.
My name is Judy Zahner. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10.
Jolene Holloway. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10.
Edgar Vergara Millán. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Edgar Vergara Millán. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10.
Antoinette Tony Olson. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10.
My name is Jim Huddy. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10.